Welcome to Hitex. My name is Jörg Stender and I'm Managing Director of Hitex. Hitex is a significant link to enable MC customers with development kits, tools, design-in support and full-blown product development. More than half of our employees work on exciting development projects. The other two important divisions are production of microcontroller boards and kits and sales of professional software.
Because of our know-how on AURIX and safety, Hitex is able to provide development services on railway projects. Our task here is the development of hardware and software, documents and all tests to enable the item being ready for integration and certification on the end customer.
Automotive is one of our main industries we cover. With the move towards electrification and the need for intelligent battery solutions, we are more and more active in this area. Here we help our customers realize custom battery management solutions in a safe and secure way by developing essential software components or drivers.
We at Hitex, as AURIX and safety experts, implement a safe communication layer between end customer, application and MCAL and safety library.
With the Hitex SafeTpack for AURIX, we have created a really successful product. It offers a quick way to achieve ISO 26262 certification for safety applications with AURIX in a timely and cost-effective manner.
At Hitex Engineering, we strive to give you the best project support that you can imagine, be it hardware, software, or complete system development, test services, technical trainings, or support with our vast tooling portfolio. In all those disciplines, functional safety is our #1 priority. Our engineers are ready for your challenges and eager to help out where they can.